What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to install a short shifter for a 370Z. Alright, Henry, let's go ahead and tell all our viewers what we're doing today.
We're going to be replacing the OEM shift knob for one of these two.
Which one are you going to choose?
I'm leaning more towards this one.
Alright, let's try it out. Alright, so what we did here is we used some vice grip with a microfiber rag on it, apply pressure to it, and then one person holds up top, another pushes this end of it, break it a little loose. Now we're just going to get it all off now. So we broke it loose, now we can actually just twist it off by hand, like so. Now I'm using my left hand because I'm a little strong. "15 days later." Alrighty, as you guys can see, there is Loctite on there. So now we install the new one. So this kit comes with 3 different sleeves. They're different size on the inside. So now we're just going to get the one that fits this one, which would be this one. Screw this on here, like so. And then grab this one, screw it on here, like so. And once it bottoms out, just keep tightening it until it goes all the way down. Right about there.